Okay, welcome to my YouTube channel. Now today I'll be showing you how to upload a video on your YouTube channel. Now I would advise you, whenever you want to upload a video on your YouTube channel, please upload it through the desktop site. Don't upload it through your YouTube app, because it will not give you some features and settings that the YouTube the desktop site will give you. So right now we're in the desktop site. You know how to get yourself to this place. So we're in the desktop site right now. So right now, looking at it, we want to upload a video, so you can use here, but normally I don't like using there. So I like using this icon up here. You see this icon up here? I like using it. So let me zoom so that you can see it very well. So right now, you see this icon right here? This one is to upload video, while this one is to go live on YouTube. If you want to go live on YouTube, so click on this place and it will open up. So right now you see it says select file. So click on select file. So it will ask you, go to your files or your gallery. So when you get there, you now choose on a video to upload. Okay, so I'm choosing on videos. Let's go to videos. So okay, I'll just choose any video to upload. Let me check from here. Okay, just look for a video. You know where your videos are down. Just go to your videos and choose a video. So right now, let's just choose a video from here. Okay, let's just choose a video. I'm just uploading this video just to show you how to upload a video. So click on one of the videos you want to upload. Then once you click on it, you start uploading it. So right now, let's click on the video. So the video is uploading right now. So here we are. So we see what I did last time. Let me show you some certain things. In the upload default I taught you, you saw that what I did there was, what I wrote was how to. You see now it have said how to. So right now, just come up here and just maybe click on it, and once it comes up, I'll just like, okay, how to is already there. So I'll just like bait, how to bait myself. Do you get it now? So when somebody sees how to beat myself, the person will like, how to beat myself, kwa. The person will like try to, you get. So that is it. The person will like try to click on the video. Okay, so how to beat myself. You see the description we made is still here. You see it, the description is still here. So right now you can upload thumbnail. I've taught you how to do that on the desktop and outside the desktop. So you can watch the video, or you see the video next after this. So that is it. Then right now you can create your own playlist. So click on this and click on create playlist. So I want to click on create playlist. My playlist might be about YouTube course. So click on, you are done, click on create and make sure it is public. Please let it public. So I'll click it and select it, and that is it. So I've selected it. So right now our channel is not made for kids. Then click on see more or show more. So right now you see you can now add keywords. Look at the keywords we added already. You see all the keywords we added already, they are here. You see it. That's why I say do all those upload default, so that it will be easier for you. So that when you just come, you upload a video instead of coming to come and start creating all these things. Once you just upload a video, you are done. Understand? So right now we are done with this. We'll click on next. So click on next. So you can add subtitle, you can add end screen, you can add cards, but I'm not adding right now. So click on next. So right now, looking at this video here, you see that this video has a fault. It's somebody's video that I just uploaded. I just try to do this so that I'll just show you how to upload the video. So you see we have a strike. Look at down here, read down here, you see that they say copyright claim found. So this is not my video, so I have a copyright claim, but no problem. I'll just keep on, let me just upload it and show you how to upload it. So right now, looking at it here, make sure that your video, this is a very important one, make sure your video is public, not private. Once it is private, anything you are getting from that video will not be counted for you. It will be going to YouTube. So make sure it is private, so that your watch hours will be counting. So right now, just click on private. Once you put it private, once you put it public, put it public. Look at it here. One is public. Put it public, and once you are done putting it public, then you come down here and click on this publish. So click on it and you publish it. So right now, once it's published, and they'll tell us that we are done. So please don't upload somebody's video, because if you're uploading somebody's video, you're just wasting your time on YouTube. So click on it, close. So right now our video has been uploaded. Understand? So the video will appear here. It will appear here. So once it appears here now, I'll take you back to the customization that we missed. Understand? There's this customization we missed, which is layout. So we missed layout. So but that layout, before you can start doing it, you have at least you see the video uploaded here. You see that it has a copyright claim because it is not my video. So look at it, it has a copyright claim, it's not my video. So when you get to that layer, you need at least 2 or 3 videos. Okay, no issue. Let us go there. Let's go there and see how it works. So go to customize. Look at it, just this place, click on this place, and you get to customize. So now look at the branding, the layer, sorry. So look at the layer. So we want to add a trailer, that is a video that people that have not subscribed to our channel, when they come to our channel, they'll see it. So click on add, click on the video. I want to add this video. So right now I've added the video. So anybody that have not subscribed to my channel, when the person comes, the person is seeing this video. Understand? We have to have about 2 videos or 3 videos before we can do this, but no issues. So if you have another video that is interesting, you just come here and click on it and add the video, so that people that have subscribed, when they come to your channel, that should be the banner they should see first, the video banner they should see first. We call it trailer. So they see that trailer first. Then you can just come up here to this section. You can just come up here and add videos, be it live stream, subscription, popular videos. So I'm adding popular videos, and I'll just come up here and add a popular video. So you come up, you set a popular video for yourself, and you add it. So that is it. So for now, I'm not adding. So that is it. So this place is very easy. Just you pick one of a video that is good. Understand? Maybe that one has about 100,000 views or 5 views. You put it before, that is up here. This one is for people that have not subscribed. So you want them to subscribe. So you put a video that has a high view here. Understand? Then you put the one that don't have a high view down here. So that is it. So the ones that don't, like for people that have subscribed already, you can give them anything. So that is it. So once you are done, you just come up here and click on publish. And you can go to your channel, So let's go to the app. Okay, we are here on the app. So right now you see how our channel look like. You see what I told you, people that have not subscribed, you see I've not subscribed, and you see how this thing is appearing to me. So understand? So once I'm done, I'll be eager to click on this video and watch it, and from there I can subscribe to your YouTube channel. So you see it right now, I'm not subscribed to this channel, despite the fact it's my channel, but I have not subscribed, and I cannot subscribe to my channel. So that is it. So this will be showing to people. Understand? Once they come up, they'll see it. So this is the video we uploaded. So we have one video here. See it? We have one video here uploaded 3 minutes ago. So this is it. This is it. This is it. This is it. Okay. Let me show you something. Okay. That is it. So that is how to get everything done. So thank you for watching this video.